Oh, Ariel's calling me. Hello? Hi, Ariel. How are you? A sleepover? That would be fantastic. Oh, I'd love that. So you'll bring the cake and you'd like me to sort out the hair things. I can do that. I won't bring too many, I'll bring the right amount. Okay, thank you, Ariel. I'll see you Saturday. Bye-bye. Oh my goodness, a sleepover. I love sleepovers. Oh, hi. You've come at the right time. So, do you think you can help me sort out all the things I need for a sleepover? I need to make sure I've got hairbrushes, hair clips, hair bubbles. We can do this together, can't we? So, to help us solve the problems today and make sure we take the correct amount of things to the sleepover, we need to look at the learning objective, which is to solve number problems with subtraction. Using subtraction means I'm not going to take too many and I'm going to be leaving some things at home. Ariel did say I often take too much. Do you think you can help me? Now the subtraction symbol looks like this. It's a straight line that goes across. You can make it with your arms like this. Have a go. Now, we said we're going to work with subtraction problems. There is our subtraction sign, but our number problem also has another symbol. It's this one. Two lines, one above the other, and we call this the equal sign. This one will lead us to our final answer. Now, to help us with our subtraction problems, we need to be able to count backwards. And I've got a really good song I like to listen to that helps me do this. Let's listen to it together.
Stand up straight, don't move a muscle, put your arms at your side and keep your feet in the middle. We're gonna count down from 20 all the way to 1. Then we're gonna have some fun, yeah.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dance! Shake your groove thing! Dance! Shake your groove thing!
Stand up straight, don't move a muscle, put your arms at your side and keep your feet in the middle. We're gonna count down from 20 all the way to 1. Then we're gonna have some fun, yeah.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dance! Shake your groove thing! Dance! Shake your groove thing!
Stand up straight, don't move a muscle, put your arms at your side and keep your feet in the middle. We're gonna count down from 20 all the way to 1. Then we're gonna have some fun, yeah.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
that tune, isn't it? Now, you know how excited I am about this sleepover. So let's get started and let's work out what we need to take and what we need to leave behind. So my first problem, I have too many bubbles. I need a bubble for each of my friends. Only 4 people want bubbles though, so can you count with me and see how many I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's definitely too many. And Ariel did say don't take too many things. So 6 hair bubbles, but only 4 of my friends want a hair bubble. Do you think you can help me with this one? So let's write the number 6 to start. Now we said in our learning objective we were working with subtraction. Our subtraction sign is there. Remember, it goes straight across. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 friends. There's our number 4. And the other sign we need is the equals. Now, this is going to tell me how many hair bubbles I have left over. Let's read it together. 6 subtract 4 equals. Okay. So my friends, I've got 1, 2, there's one for you, 3, 4. Each of them has a hair bubble, so I don't need these 2. So I have these left. So my answer would be 1, 2. It's a single digit number, number 2. We did it. We did the first one together, so we now have the correct amount of bubbles to go to the sleepover. Let's try it on the number line. Can you see the number 6? It's just here. Now we need to subtract 4. So we need to go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer we get is the number 2. So for the next problem, I have all of these hair clips here. I only need to give 1 hair clip to each person who's going to the sleepover, which means that I need to leave some hair clips behind. Do you think you could help me? How did you get on? Did you work out the answer? Let's try together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 hair clips in total. So let's write the number 19 down there. We are doing a subtraction number sentence, so there is our subtract symbol. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people going to the sleepover. So there is our number 10. For our number sentence, we need to put an equals symbol. And we need to find out how many hair clips we will have left over on the card. So we need to subtract 10. 19 subtract 10 equals. Let's take 10 away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now everyone has a hair clip. I've got those there. So left on the card we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. That means I need to leave 9 hair clips at home. So we start at number 19 and we need to count back 10. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the number we've landed on is the number 9. Our answer is 9. Now for my final problem, I know that I have too many hairbrushes and I only have to take the right amount. Could you work out how many hairbrushes are left over once everyone here has a hairbrush? Pause the video and see if you can write this number problem in your books. Should we try together? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I counted 13 hairbrushes. How many did you count? Great, okay. Now 13 is a 2-digit number. Number 1 and number 3. 13 hairbrushes, but only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 people. 13 is definitely bigger than 10. Let's write the number 10 there to remind ourselves. We're working with subtraction today. We said that in our learning objective, so we're going to write our subtraction sign. 13, subtract 10. Now we need to find out the answer, so we put our equals sign here. 13, subtract 10 equals. Let's have a look at our number line to help us. So on our number line, we're going to find the number 13. Can you see it? It's just there. And we need to count back 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number we land on is the number 3. So our answer is 3. 3 is a single digit. I've given each of the princesses a hairbrush, so you can see that they all have one, and I had 3 hairbrushes left over. So 3 is my final answer. I don't need to take 3 hairbrushes with me. They'll stay at home. Thank you so much for all of your help in today's math session. I now know what I need to leave at home, and I now have the correct number of things to take to the sleepover. We looked at lots of different maths problems, didn't we? And we wrote them into a number subtraction sentence. You did a great job. And now the challenge is over to you. I would like you to think of some subtraction word problems, write them into a number sentence, and see if you can find the answer. We'd love to see the work that you've done, so don't forget you can always email us at the reception email. Well done everybody.